Shaw kitty. Shaw. Cindy, come here and help us. Casey and I were going to put on the fenders. Need you to open the door, keep the dogs from running outside. Jesus Christ. When's the last time you dusted this house? God damn it. You got to dust these things before I put them on the car. It's going to look like shit.
It's about time we got rid of these fenders, and that's next.
Hey, the best looking thing in the fucking living room.
A little dusty.
The cat likes it. The dogs like it. It's gotten to be, it's only been here for a year. What do you expect?
It's all ready for a hood scoop.
Jesus Christ, the mouse are wearing snowshoes. Oh, now you're bitching about that too? You got a front spoiler behind the couch. Don't worry about it.
Go find it.
West Coast Cougar calls it a headlight housing. You can't buy them new that I've been able to find. These are blow-ups of what West Coast Cougar had for sale. And that's the front and that's the other one. And the price, $225 a piece. So I decided I'm going to cut in new metal and do it myself. This one came from the car. I don't think it's original equipment to the car. It has a support bracket that goes all the way around. Here's a glimpse of the support bar. It runs from the left side to the right side, connecting the two housings. And it had some damage in it, so we had to do a little repair, but it cleaned up real nice. And you can see it's got quite a bit of rust here. I've sandblasted one, and it's a little bit better than this one, but not by much. So I've yet to sandblast this one, but I'm going to have to cut in new metal to make it correct. And I'm not going to use the original factory vacuum operated, because the vacuum pumps went right into here. And they were kind of right here. And they operated the headlights, opening and closing. And I'm going to go mechanical. Got to do some fabrication here. I got to cut out the bad metal. I got to put new metal in and make it look all pretty. So Casey and I have a little competition, and that is the who can do the better job. So I'm going to do one, and I'll let Casey do the other one. Here's the one I sandblasted. It cleaned up pretty good. I mean, I was running out of sandblast material, so I didn't kill myself on it. Because I also knew, you can see, here's where I'm going to have to patch that one up. So, I asked myself the question, do I give Casey the one that's already been sandblasted, or to make him do it? Okay, I agree with you. We're going to make him do it. So, we'll take you along this journey. just finished the final sandblasting of these before paint. And I'm going to paint them with Eastwood's Rust Preventative. And I've used it before and I like it a lot. It goes on a little thick, but it hides really well. But here's mine that I finished. And see if we can show you. Pretty happy with it. I mean, it's going under the grill. Nobody will ever see it. There's KC's. I think we did a good job. Well, these are sandblasted, ready to go. Throw some paint on them. And, you know, as they say, paint it black and put it back. Guess what came in the mail today? I was hoping we would put this on last weekend, this past weekend, but it didn't show up till today. Can't believe, oh, they give you free stickers. You spend damn near 600 bucks and you get a sticker. But this is probably the most expensive master cylinder money can buy. All billet aluminum, specifically for a Ford. Cool. What's in this box? Oh, they have a proportioning valve that can mount on either side of it. In our case, we will put it to the passenger side, and it's adjustable. So you can control the front and back bias. The bore on this is 15/16 specifically for a Mustang with 4-wheel disc brakes. So I called them up. They were very helpful. Hopefully this will do the trick. This week, Cindy and I get to put it on.